Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to use index and match formula in Microsoft Excel. These two formulas used to look up data in Microsoft Excel, especially for any big data in worksheet. For example, we have information like here. Okay, I will delete this one. We have the information here. And we also have other worksheet which has only information here, the country column. And we want to look up only the country abbreviation name and the area number. So we will use the information to look up these two information from this worksheet. You can see we will use this information to find this information and this information. I already highlight this two information. You can see. If we compare with VLOOKUP has a limitation. VLOOKUP cannot find any information after that comparison value. For example, we have this value and we cannot find this information. We can find the information only any information after that value. For example, this value we can find by using VLOOKUP. We cannot find the information, but index and match we can look up any information in the dataset. For example, we can look up this information, we can look up this information also. Okay, let me show you how to use index and match in Microsoft Excel. Okay, we have only the country information, this country name, and we want to look up the country abbreviation and area. We want to look up these two. Okay, let me show you how to use. You use index, you use equal index is the array. The array means any information we want to show in this cell. Okay, the array. Okay, I will use this one. I want to get this information, so I select this row or this column. Sorry. Okay, I use comma. Row number. Row number I use match. Lookup value. This is the syntax as the match formula. Lookup value. Here I use China to look up value. Use comma for the value. Look up array. I will look up China data in this array. I use comma for the next syntax. I use 0 for the exact match is 0. Okay, I close bracket. This bracket used with match formula, and we have to use another bracket for the index. Okay, we use two brackets because we have two formula. Okay, I press enter. So the information so cn come from here. You can see it. We show information here. For example, I change the information like and put test. What happened in here? You can see the test here. So any value in here, it will show in here. Okay, I will delete it back. Okay, this information also change. For any other value, we just double click so we can see the country abbreviation name here. How about the area? We also can use the same formula. Okay, we use equal index the array any information we want to look for the array here. Okay, I select this information. You can see the area. I use comma. I use match lookup value. Okay, I will use this one to look up value. I use comma lookup array. Okay, we will look up in this column. Okay, use 0 for the exact match. Just one bracket for the match formula and another bracket for index formula. We press enter. You can see the information we get from this value like 9 and the last 9 set 1. 9 set 1, you can see its information is correct. For any other cell, we just double click so we can see. Okay, let's just go through some information. Brazil, for this information 8 5 and Brazil. You can see the information is correct. So we can look up any value before and after the comparison value. You can see it is very useful. So it is a bit complicated if we use two formula to combine to look up the value. Okay, let me show you the definition of this value. Okay, in index. Okay, we can say index and match function to look up value both backward and after our comparison value. This is the formula I just show you. Index. What is index? Index function return the value or the reference to a value from within a table or rank. Match function to search for specific item in a rank of cell and then return the relative position of that item in the rank. Okay, I will show you just for example only. You will understand more about that. Okay. For example, if we look up, if we use only match, okay. If we look up, okay, let me delete it and show you. If you look up this information, okay, I will delete all. Use match. I will use this history. If you look up this value, this is lookup value. Okay, comma to for the next syntax. Lookup value. If we select from here, you can see this is the lookup array. You can see it's a close. Okay, I could close it. It's not work. Okay, let's okay. 0 for the exact match. You can see it's number 5. What is number 5? You can, if we count number 5 is here. You can see 1. You can see we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. China in the column C5. You can see. So this formula, for example, and we use index to bracket, select all. If I input 5, close, it will show China. If I import like Slovenia, for example, what happened? It will show the United States because it count from this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the value mean index to show the value, the exact value in the cell, but index just look up the cell number only, or column or row number only. So we use index plus match to show the exact value of the information. You can see. I hope this video can explain you and this formula is useful for you to work for any data, any big data. Thanks for your watching. Okay, bye bye.